Why do we buy? All people who have needs and wants to fulfill.
Yeah.
So definitely they will buy. But once need and want is satisfied, people can concentrate on other.
On.
People don't have same needs and wants at the same time.
Yeah.
The need you have, I may not. The want which I have, you may not. So there is a difference between
Yeah.
different people, need and want. Need and want at the same time can change by the stages or in the phases you are.
Yeah.
Many factors cause need and want change. You are married, your priorities will be changed. When you are kid, are you parent, your priorities will be changed. If you are having more money, your want may change. Different
Mm.
factors. People buys good to satisfy needs
It's,
and wants. Need and want changes. People buy
oh,
benefits, not the features. This is what we have covered in the feature and benefit session. For sales success, you need to know the desired benefit.
benefit.
So, what benefit you are offering to your customer? But you need to know that. Reasons or benefits that cause people to buy a product to satisfy their need and want, you must know. You must try to find out. Forces that contribute to make a buying decision. This is the definition of buying motives. These are the forces that contribute to make a buying decision. Now we will take your case when you said that you went to buy Pepsi in a mall and you ended up with Coke.
Yeah.
You asked in
Actually,
the
it's
first
the
session.
other way around. It's the other way around that you went to buy Coke and you
And you
got
bought the
Pepsi.
Pepsi. Okay, sorry. I'm quite old now.
It's okay. It's okay. It happens.
Okay. So I told you at that time, then when we will cover buying motive session, we may take this example as well. So buying
Yes.
motive, the forces that contributes to make a buying decision. I'm repeating it again and again. These are different forces which contribute to make a buying decision. Different forces. We cannot list a single factor that this is the factor I have purchased this product. Why we buy a burger? There could be so many reasons. Maybe to view it as a different, I like it. To make a business content, or basically I am hungry.
I'm, yeah.
Why we buy a blazer? What could be the reason? It could be because everybody have it. I must look
Yeah.
good. It
Good.
keep me warm.
Yeah.
Why I'm buying it? People
Yeah.
sometimes know, sometimes don't know their buying motives. Knowing your customer needs and wants and motives help you in selling.
Mm.
So up till now, this is the third session. We are covering the basics, basis, features, benefits, products, customers, and now the why motive. It's very vital that we must know what are the customer needs, wants, and motives. It will help you in selling. So knowing your
Yeah.
customer needs, wants, and motives, it will help you in selling. But remember, motive changes customer to customer, person to person, and even situation to
Yes.
situation. So when you went to buy Coke, you were having certain buying motive, but you ended up with Pepsi. At that
Yeah.
particular time, there was some other motive which influence you to buy Pepsi or buy both Pepsi and Coke.
That could be other reasons that when you entered the supermarket, maybe you didn't find Coke on the shelf. You only found Pepsi.
Yes, that could be one
Or
of the reasons.
or you
When you were going to the Coke shelf, that Pepsi salesperson, sales girl might have observed you, taken some time
yeah.
and tried to convince to buy this Pepsi. And you might get influenced to that.
Yeah, maybe, yeah, there might be, like this, like you said, there might be like percentage more of the drink than Coke, so you might be attracted to it.
Might be. So there are
Or
different
you'll,
forces. Please.
yeah, or you'll end up buying both since you like both
Yeah.
products in the market.
So buying
Yeah,
motives. There are mainly three classes of buying motives, which are further categorized into two. So total, in universally, there are six basic buying motives. So if we categorize buying motives, number one
yeah,
will category will be called as the possession.
yeah,
Other one is experience. Third one is recognition. We will see one by
yes,
one what is the position, experience, recognition, and in the end, if there is some time, we will do a small exercise. So the buying motive, number one, making a gain. Where customer requires a financial gain to prescribe your product in any shape like discount, obligation, etc. In general, when we purchase something from an outlet where discount is given on a product, so our main motive is to get financial gain. So making a gain where the objective or the motive or the force which is forcing the buyer to purchase that particular product is to have financial gain. The doctor who is having this intention that if he's prescribed this medicine, he will have some financial gain, maybe in
yeah,
shape of obligation, maybe in shape of discount, like this. So his buying
yeah,
motive, why is prescribing, that he want to have a financial gain from you. So there are so many examples of these sort of uh, customers nowadays. And in general, I told you that when you heard that there is a sale uh, on Metro shoes or Levi's ABC XYZ, even you
yeah,
may not have intention to buy that Levi's product, but may attract you that it is off season sale. I may get 20%, 30% discount on it. So you go
yeah,
and purchase that particular product. So this is called as a basically making a gain. So their buying motive could be different. They are also concerned
yeah,
about the quality and their taste as well. The sale
yes,
attraction is not attractive to them. So
it's
buying motives, number one is making a gain, or
fear
he
of
is having
loss.
fear of loss, financial loss. For example, when we install a tracker into our car, that is because of loss of car. In other words, he has a fear of financial
Of
loss.
financial loss.
So that's why you're installing a tracker,
Attractive.
so
Yes.
that your car cannot be stolen and you may not have experience of financial loss. But
Yeah.
here again, the main force is the financial
Yeah.
aspect. Otherwise, why he needs a tracker? Similarly, when a pharmacist keeps only stock of fast moving
Fast
products,
moving products.
so his buying motive that don't keep the slow moving products, he may suffer to the loss. Yes, because the brand normally are the fast moving products. So he will love to
Yeah.
keep the brand.
Yes.
Number third, it is based on the experience. Having pleasure, comfort, and convenience.
Convenience.
And this type, customer on the basis of experience buy certain product. The doctor has a good experience on prescribing a particular company medicine due to its better past experience with
With
company or representative or may be both. Buying revolving chair for comfort and convenience. It will also
convenience.
fall in this category. Most of the our customers doctors, they fall into experience category. In the previous
Mm.
example or the case when you say, okay, there is a sale, but when they visited that outlet and they checked the quality, etc., the product, they did not like it. They did not purchase it.
Yeah.
Maybe they have a bad experience with that.
Bad experience.
So the
Yes.
financial gain is not their focus. Their experience is their focus. In the example or the case where I said that Asma may like to go on a couple of shops again and again and again, rather than having more options, the same product, the same price. Since you have a good experience with that outlet or with that salesman, so you will love to go to them again and again. So, this third point, having pleasure, comfort, convenience, most of your doctors, most of your customers falls into this category. That they have a better experience with you, your company, your product. So, on the basis of their experience, they continue prescribing your product. Even you launch a new product, you say, okay, I have a good experience with your company, so I will definitely do prescribe your this product.
Yeah.
Number fourth is avoiding pain, worries, and problems.
Problems.
Why we keep an extra wheel in the car? Stepney. Extra tire or stepney, it is you have purchased it because you wanted to avoid pain, worries, and problems. Pharmacist may not keep the narcotic
Not.
stock to avoid
Yes.
pain, worries, problems. Although there is a need, there is a sale of narcotic product, but he say if the drug inspector comes and I want to avoid that pain, worries, because he has to
Yes.
keep proper documents, etc. Similarly, a doctor prescribes the medicines with less
With
side
less.
effects.
Yes.
So it is also amongst that avoid pain, worries, problem. Number 5, boosting
Boost.
self-satisfaction. Doctor prescribed the medicines he believes the best regardless of the price. Customer prefers to buy a branded product as he believes that this is the brand is of best
Best
quality. It doesn't
quality.
matter how expensive this product
Yes.
is. Boosting self satisfaction is more
Yes.
on the ego you have, on the self satisfaction you have. For example,
Yeah.
you need a watch. There are so
Yeah.
many options available. What is our basic objective? You want to know and be updated by the wristwatch. You
Yeah.
can buy a local watch, a Chinese watch, very cheap,
Or or
a branded watch.
yeah, branded watch.
When you buy a branded watch, for example, Rado,
Yes. Yes.
very famous in Pakistan's peripheries, etc. Why do you buy it? Your intention could be that Rado is the brand which will
Yeah.
provide the exact timing and you are satisfied with it.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what is the price. Just like you gave the
Yeah.
example of two ice cream brands, since you are
Yeah.
satisfied with that particular
Mm.
ice cream brand as compared to other, so
Yes.
it gives you boosting self satisfaction. Now,
Yes.
doctors who are prescribing multinationals branded products, no matter how much expensive it is,
Yes.
they are satisfied that, for example, the Novartis, Lundbeck, Pfizer, GSK,
Yes.
these companies,
Yes.
I am satisfied with their quality. One could be on the basis of their experience, one for their own satisfaction.
Yeah, the satisfaction and yeah,
Their own
like
satisfaction.
you.
There is a in next point. This uh, this will be much more clear.
Yeah.
Taking back the example of Rado, our RD car is a branded car, expensive car. Your
Yes.
intention could be that if I'm driving RD is the company which is providing the best possible driving experience as compared to any other car. It doesn't matter
Uh,
how expensive it is.
right.
You have purchased RD due to gaining social approval. That people will
And
say, oh, Asma is driving RD. People should say. People should say.
yeah.
She is using Rado, very expensive brand. So you want to gain social approval and prestige. Now,
Mm.
the doctor who is prescribing expensive multinational brand, if he has this intention in mind that he is okay with this uh, company or product, doesn't matter the price, so he will be falling on the last category. But if he has this intention that what people will say that I am prescribing normal local company brand,
Yeah.
why I am prescribing such a low price prescription, cheap. I don't want to such an economical prescription. Even it happens, I remember 20 years back when my posting was there in Karachi.
Yeah.
So I took my family and I did not knew much about the Karachi at that particular time. I was living in Clifton. So my wife had to take, she's having severe pain, infection, and I did not have to time to take her to doctor. And I found
Mm.
a big private hospital. I think it Medis was there. I took her. I just saw a lady dentist. She was a foreign qualified, having so many degrees. So
Mm.
I took the time and asked my wife to go and have a checkup. She went there, and when she came out with a prescription, we were sitting in a car. I was driving home, and I just looked into the prescription.
Yeah.
So she had written Vebravicine. I say, huh? Vebravicine? 20, 30 rupees product.
Yeah.
And as a painkiller, she has prescribed mefenamic acid Polestar. Means total prescription worth of 100 rupees. And the consultancy fees at that time I gave, I don't remember, could be 2000 like this.
Mm.
So I was not satisfied. I just took her number and called her.
Yeah.
And the doctor, you have prescribed Vebravicine in such a severe infection. She said,
Mm.
what? Why? Is this Vibramycin is not available in Pakistan? I said, no, no, this is available. Do you think that Vibramycin will work? She says,
Mm.
yes. Why not?
Mm.
Even I purchased those medicines
Yeah.
because doctor has prescribed it, and my wife recovered within 3 days. Excellent.
Yeah. Mm.
That doctor was right. But
Mm.
there are certain people when they go to a higher consultant physician, they do expect that there should be some expensive medicine. They are mentally
Yeah.
satisfied. Similarly,
Yeah.
on the other case, the doctor or the consultant, he say that I am such a big senior person, such a qualified
Yeah.
person. Will I be prescribing a prescription of just 500 rupees?
Yeah.
What will people say? So, gaining social approval. So, if I am wearing Rado watch, because people should say Zulfikar is so rich man that he is wearing millions rupees watch to gain social approval. Customer buy a product, recent fashion brand to gain social approval. This is very common
Mm.
nowadays in society. Oh, it is an old
Mm.
fashioned thing. So
Yeah.
these people, they fall in the gaining social approval. Why I should be wearing the old suit? Although that suit will be okay, fine, decent, but you prefer to buy new suit. Now, in the previous case, the ice cream brands you talk, Igloo and
Yes.
the other brand, some people may
Yeah.
prefer to go
Baskin
with that
Robbins.
branded expensive ice cream outlet so that people should
Yes.
feel that I'm very rich and I love to go there. So that will be categorized as the
They
gaining social approval.
also they
Yes.
also compare the ice cream,
No, no, you just gave
the
me the example.
consistency.
Taking the example. So that why
Yeah,
you
that's
were
what I'm saying.
in the boosting
The
self satisfaction, and they could be
yeah,
having pleasure, comfort, convenience.
yes,
You are enjoying that aspect. You
yeah,
like the taste, you like the quality on the basis of your
yeah,
experience. And always
yes.
remember that one customer, it is not necessary that he will fall only one single
For
category.
the satisfaction. Yeah,
There could be one or two or three buying motives involved at the time of purchase by any customer. And there are certain doctors who like to prescribe brands prescribed by the opinion leaders or the senior doctors
yes,
for gaining social approval that my prescription is equivalent to that professor.
yes.
These are six basic buying motives. Now, since it was there was an exercise, but we won't have a time. What did you purchase in last month and why? So we will take one example from one of your purchase in our next session and we will do
Yeah.
the buying motive exercise.